Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the muscle tone. So muscle tone, it is defined as a resistance that is offered to the active or passive stretch. So muscle tone refers to the sustained partial state of muscle contraction under the resting condition. So muscle tone is present in all the muscles, but it is well pronounced in the anti-gravity muscle. What is the basis of muscle tone? So that is purely a function of the stretch reflex. So muscle tone occurs due to low frequency and asynchronized discharge of the gamma motor neurons. The discharge is out of phase with other, which ultimately merge to produce the smooth muscle contraction. Which are the abnormalities of muscle tone? So what is hypotonia and what is hypertonia? So hypotonia, that refers to the decreased muscle tone. So it is a flaccid muscle which offers little or no resistance to the stretching. Muscles are generally hypotonic when gamma efferent discharge decrease or when stretch reflex become hypoactive. Causes of hypotonia: destruction of the alpha motor neurons to the muscles by injury or poliomyelitis, destruction of the efferent nerves from the muscles as in the taps dorsalis. So these are the causes of hypotonia. Also, stimulation of inhibitory reticular formation in medulla, destruction or inhibition of facilitatory area of pons, decreased gamma motor discharge during sleep, effect of certain drugs like barbiturates and tranquilizer in high dose, destruction of cerebellum causes hypotonia and hypothyroidism. So these are the causes of hypotonia. What is hypertonia? That refers to the increase in the muscle tone. Hypertonia means spasticity offers high resistance to the stretch. The muscles are generally hypertonic when gamma efferent discharge increases or when stretch reflex becomes hyperactive. What are the causes of hypertonia? Stimulation of facilitatory area of the brain, destruction of inhibitory area of brain. Other factors which increase the gamma efferent discharge like anxiety, unexpected movements and stimulation of the skin by noxious agent. What is spasticity and rigidity? Spasticity refers to the hypertonia which is confined to only one group of muscle. For example, lesion of the internal capsule and upper motor neuron produce spasticity. Rigidity refers to the hypertonia which involves both the group of muscle agonist and antagonist. For example, basal ganglia lesion produce rigidity. So spasticity means hypertonia refer to one group of muscle, and rigidity means hypertonia involves both the group of muscle like agonist and antagonist.